wanted to do a quick little review on this Shark Navigator lift away vacuum cleaner. Please pardon how it looks. This thing is from 2015 and I love it so much. I bring it every time I move. Like, I'm never getting rid of this thing. It's been so long and it still works so well, and there's so many amazing features about this. So first of all, you carry the cords there, but I'm going to pop this off so I can show you the lift away function. So you can use it like a regular vacuum. It's got really good turn radius. Literally turns on a dime like that, and so that's really handy to get into weird little spots. And then this is a cool thing. So you just hit this right here, you pick up the whole thing, then you click this, and bam, you literally have, there's different attachments that come with this. I've lost those because this thing is very old. But you can still, this thing will have suction, and you can walk around and literally vacuum with this, or get little corners or windowsills or something like that. So you can literally just walk around with this and use this. They have some different attachments, but I just use it like this. Goes right back in. Then you want to put it back on. It just goes right there and clicks in. So it's just so easy and so simple. If you don't want to do that and you just need to grab this, you can just hit that button, and then this uses right here. Yeah, all of that's awesome. If you want to get rid of the thing, this pops right off. So you can buy replacement filters. This probably needs one, but the filters go in here. This pops right off. I'm not going to do it because it's dirty. And then you hit this button and everything just falls out right in the trash can. There's a spot for the top. You can dump it out and you can change this filter, and you can clean that filter. That goes right back on. Boom. It's just all of this whole thing can be taken apart so easily. And that's really handy. So let's say there's something stuck here and you're like, oh, is this thing clogged? This just literally comes out, and then you pop it right back in. So every piece of this can be completely pulled out, taken apart, cleaned, whatever you need. This is another one for the handle. There's other, like I said, there's attachments, but there's ones that go in there. So this whole thing can literally be taken apart, which is incredibly useful and handy. Let's see. There's only one thing, the downside, and this was what people said in the reviews when they first got it. It can tip over sometimes. And like I said, I've had it since 2015. This thing's tipped over many times and nothing's ever happened to it. So that's the only downside. It's not that easy, but sometimes if you don't have it clicked properly, this thing can kind of tip over. That's literally the only downside of this thing. 2015, what is it, like 8 years old, still kicking. And then it's got two settings here. One setting does the brush and one setting does not do the brush on the bottom. So you can sweep your kitchen floors, you can do anything like that. So this is an incredible one-stop shop vacuum, upholstery cleaner, all of it. This thing is awesome. Yeah, that's about it. Well, guys, I really appreciate you watching this video, and I hope this review helped.